Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to recall an email that you have sent through Microsoft Outlook. So this can only work if the recipient hasn't read the email yet. So what you basically need to do is first of all open the email that you've sent on Outlook, and from here this is the email that has been sent. What you simply need to do is you have to double click and it will open up in a separate window like this. Now you can see there are plenty of options showing right here. So to recall, either the options could show up over here next to move, or if they don't show up at that area, what you need to do is go at the three dots right here at more commands. You need to press this and you can see the actions option showing up right here, and you need to press on recall this message. So when you press on recall this message, you need to check out the option that you need to fill. One option is you can delete 100 copies of this message, or you can delete 100 copies and also replace this with a new message. So let's say I don't want to replace it with a new message right now. I'll just delete 100 copies of this message and I'll press on OK. And now the email will be recalled and your process would be complete.